Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you something I've been working on real quick. This is called uh, I3 automatic background generator. So pretty much the idea of this is to help people with their hotkeys, or if they're new to I3. Uh, Pretty much what essentially it's going to do is it's going to generate a background, and it's going to go ahead and create a binary in your bin folder. And so in the bin folder, pretty much what that binary is going to do is, if you look over here, so yeah, right here, what that binary is going to do is it's just pretty much a little bash script, and it's just going to do a while true that bg max, which gives you a perfect background scale base directory, and then wherever you installed this from, it'll go ahead and put that base directory right here, and then point over to the correct image file. So pretty much, yeah, like I said, the idea of this is just to help people with their backgrounds and stuff like that. Um, well, pretty much the idea of this is just help people remembering their hotkeys for when they're using I3. So it should help a lot. It's a work in progress. Just for future reference, what I plan to do here is I plan to actually add a lot more features to it. So if I go back to this background right here, I plan to add more columns, and this column would be like pretty much the action column, like start, edit, stop. And then I'm going to have highlighting for all the programs, pretty much like YouTube download and just a few other things. Like then I'm going to have highlighting for like all the applications like Google Chrome, YouTube downloader, PayPal, eBay, libvirt, etc., etc. That way everything's highlighted and it helps your eyes point in that direction, so you know exactly what the action is when you push the hotkey. So this is just to go ahead and help with that. The reason I say it's to help is because, even when you set up like a big i3 configuration file, uh, your eyes got to see it, and you got to hit those keys constantly, and then it eventually gets in your muscle memory. So this is just going to help with the process. I'm also thinking about probably doing maybe like a terminal background, or maybe like something like if y'all have like Compton with a transparent terminal, that will work too. That way you're always seeing the background. But yeah, that's the idea. So I just want to show you all this. If y'all are interested in it, you can go ahead and go over to my GitHub. It is going to be updated quite frequently. So it's called I3 background generator, and it's going to be listed right here. As you see, I haven't really updated the Git, so I'm still getting around for feel for Git myself. So anyway, if y'all want this, it's going to be at I3 background generator. It's going to go ahead and be at fixpc/I3 hotground background generator, and then you can use this, just set your background, and it's going to go into your config real quick. So let me show y'all how it works. So if you look right here, yeah, here's the configuration file. So essentially, what it's doing is it's looking for the comment line. So there'll be an example config in here, but if y'all want this to work with your config, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add I3 background generator page 1. And then what it's going to do is it's going to look for this. It's going to go to the line below, and then it's going to take this comment and put it. It's going to put this in column 1, take this comment right here and put it in column 2, and using sed to get rid of all this. So I'm going to. This is just the initial start. This is like beta, alpha, whatever you want to call it. It's. I just started on it, so I plan for it to be a lot more modernized. I plan actually for there to be 4 columns, and then there'll be like a column line limit per page, or a row line limit per page. So it'll be like maybe like I'll do like 30 lines per page. That way it's easy for your eyes to see it. It will automatically switch page. So right now what it's doing is this is just cycling between these 2 images. So depending on the amount of hotkeys you'll have, it'll automatically add pages, automatically add columns, and I'll make it so the background using a term shot to get the screenshot. I'm probably gonna use ANSI, but I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. But yeah, it's a work in progress. When it gets done, it will be very nice though, and probably be definitely worth using. So I just want to go ahead and show you all this, show you all I was working on since I've been on YouTube for a while. I've been busy, really busy. So anyway, guys, I'm out.